Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up Ledger Live. First, you'll need to download the Ledger Live application directly from the official Ledger website. Once downloaded, install it on your computer. Next, connect your Ledger hardware wallet to your computer using the provided USB cable. This initial connection is crucial for the setup process. Finally, you'll initialize your device and create a new 24-word recovery phrase, which is vital for your security. Now, let's secure your device. You'll be prompted to choose a strong PIN code, typically 4 to 8 digits long. Make sure to select a unique combination that you can easily remember, but others cannot guess. After setting your PIN, you'll confirm it directly on your Ledger device screen. The most critical step is to carefully write down your 24-word recovery phrase. Double-check every word and store it in a very safe, private location. With your device secured, it's time to add your crypto. First, install the specific cryptocurrency applications you need onto your Ledger device through Ledger Live. For example, if you want to manage Bitcoin, install the Bitcoin app. Then, within the Ledger Live application, you can easily add your desired crypto accounts. Once added, take a moment to verify your account balances and review any transaction history to ensure everything is correctly synchronized. Maintaining your security is paramount. Always keep your 24-word recovery phrase offline and in a secure, private location, never sharing it with anyone. Regularly update both your Ledger Live application and your device's firmware to benefit from the latest security enhancements and features. Also, if you're looking to enhance your home, check out the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals in the description below. Following these steps ensures your digital assets remain safe and accessible.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.